Hey guys, Roger here. I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I've been in a lot of first-time home buyer Facebook groups or different Facebook groups where people are talking about buying a house, refinancing, and things like that. So I went through and I've been commenting, helping people, answering questions. So I thought, hey, why not take some of the most common questions and make a video and answer some of them for you? So let's dive right in. All right, so the first question is, should I avoid homes that have been on the market for too long? So my answer to that question is not necessarily. Take a look at the pictures, go and see the house in person, because if a house has been on the market for a long time, chances are you're gonna be able to get a deal on that. So if a seller is really serious about selling their property and their property has been on the market for 90 days, 120 days, 150 days, then that means you can probably make a lowball offer and get a really, really good deal on your next property. But where you can really make a killing is if you get a really good deal. So the next question is, what's a good credit score to get a home loan and buy a house? So yes, there are programs out there where you can have a really, really low credit score, like a 620, and still buy a house. But really what that's gonna do is that's really gonna kill you on the interest, because the lower your credit score, the higher your interest rate will be. So the minimum credit score that I think you should have is at least a 700. If you're in the 700 plus range, you're gonna get elite pricing with a lot of these lenders. Not only will you pay less interest, your monthly payments are gonna be lower. Your credit's something that you can work on from day one. As soon as you're 18, you can work on your credit. You can get a credit card, you can make the payments on time, never miss a payment, open up 3 trade lines. If you haven't seen my video 2 videos ago, I talked to you guys about how you can get the best deal on a home loan, or top secret to getting the best deal on a home loan, and it's really your credit. Keep your balances low as much as you can. Keep your score above 700. Keep in mind that your interest rate gets better every 20 points. So if your score is 700 to 719, you're gonna get 1 interest rate. If your credit score is 720 to 739, it's going to be a little bit better, and so on and so forth. So keep it above 700 and you should be in good shape. If you did, please subscribe or share with a friend. And if you like this new Q&A format I'm trying out, just hit the thumbs up button if you like it, and I'll make more of these. The next question is, how fast can you close on a house? So I can actually get you a home loan in under 3 weeks. A lot of these banks are really, really fast. They're tech savvy. Everything is quick. They're staffed up. So they have tons of underwriters. And like I talked about in my last video, talking about the Conquest program at UWM, I closed my last 5 loans in about 15 days, 2 weeks to 15 days. So it can really be done quickly as long as the buyer supplies their information, their documents quickly. You can close on a house in under 3 weeks. So the next question is, should I save a down payment before speaking to a lender? So yeah, you should. You should have some kind of down payment, but you should also talk to a loan officer or mortgage broker or lender, because there's other requirements that are going to go into buying a house. It's not just about having a down payment. You have to have a certain credit score. You have to have a certain amount of income. You need to be employed for a certain amount of time. So talk to a lender as soon as possible and just get an idea of all of the requirements that you're going to need. But definitely a down payment is going to be one of the biggest ones. So start saving right away if you plan to buy a house. You guys so much. Hope you're doing well, and I'll see you guys next time.